In just a few clicks, you can create a dome like this. Stay until the end to find out how. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. As we mentioned, today we are making a dome. The first step is to draw any arbitrary shape and then draw a circle on the surface that matches the diameter of your dome. After that, divide the circle in half and use the two-point arc tool to draw the height of your dome. We'll assign some arbitrary height. Now we need to divide the semicircle we drew in half and erase one half. And there is just one more step left. Using the Follow Me tool, create the dome. Simply drag the half semicircle along the circle and that's it. If you're interested in how to create a perfect hemisphere, check out the video on our channel.